Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Facebook ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you target landscapers with Facebook ads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to target landscapers with Facebook ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business where landscapers are your target audience, you can target them with Facebook ads. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ads manager. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up my ads manager, and this is the home screen. Now, before I go any further, I want to let you know that Facebook is slowly moving away from you choosing the audience. However, at the time of the recording of this video, you can set up a custom audience. So that way, when you are creating your ads, you can easily just add that audience into the ad, targeting landscapers. So in order to target landscapers on Facebook ads, here on the left side, you're going to click on these three little people. It's called audiences. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options, and you want to choose this right here, create a saved audience. Okay, so here you can go ahead and name the audience. So let's say this is landscapers we're targeting in California. Okay, next you can go ahead and choose a location if it applies. For the purpose of this video, I'll go ahead and just type in California and choose the state. Here, I'm going to go ahead and uncheck this. That's basically Facebook saying they're going to use their AI and algorithm to expand your audience. So I'm going to turn that off, and then I'm going to scroll down. You can choose the age. That doesn't really apply to me. Gender, same thing, doesn't really apply too much for landscapers. And then language, I'll type in English just because that's what I work in. And then if we scroll down, you can see Advantage plus detailed targeting. You can see it's checked. So you actually can't uncheck it. So this allows Facebook to use their AI to find more people within your audience. So to turn that off, just click here, switch to Advantage plus, and then scroll to the bottom again, and then click switch to original audience options. And now when you scroll down, you're going to see this detailed targeting. So here you can go ahead and add in various demographics, interests, or behaviors that are related to landscapers. So I put together this list right here. So landscapers, landscaping contractor, landscaping company, these are all related groups within Facebook. So all you're going to do is just take this information and put it into your demographic section. It's kind of a long list. So if you want, go ahead and check the video description. I'll try to leave a link to these group members. So I'm going to go ahead and go back over here to Ads Manager, and then we're going to go ahead and just start typing in from our list, landscaper. Okay, now you can go ahead and choose the groups. So landscaping, landscape design, garden design, landscape architecture. And then if you scroll up, you're going to be able to see the audience size. So you can see this one is already at about 7.5 million. That's kind of a lot. So I'm not going to add any more groups into this. And once you have the audience size correct for whatever it is you are selling, go ahead and click on create saved. And a quick second later, you can see we have a group for landscapers in California. So now when we go to create our Facebook ad, when it gets to the audience, instead of creating the audience, we can easily just choose our landscapers in California and add it into the Facebook ad for targeting. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to target landscapers with your Facebook ads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.